powered amplifier. Dira sa AMB sa likod. Pwede ko mapapicture na. At tapos buksan nila ng box. And technician, si paring Jenny Dilariarte ng Michael Angelo, Disco Mobile of Barotac, Nuevo Iloilo. And kaupo nila na si paring Jomari Kapaliesa sa owner of CMC Electronics Trading from Cebu. And siya yung organizer ng mga Battle of the Sounds doon sa Cebu City. And sa lahat ng mga area, kasama si paring Gao Elwin. Sa lang dalawa to ang mga organizer sa Cebu. Abangan nyo kami dyan ang Carmen. Pena, paring Jomari Gao. Yan, sa Carmen, Cebu. Abangan nyo naman sila yung mga organizer ng Cebu. Okay? At lahat ng mga Cebu City. And powered by Broadway Products. And kasama dyan si Parigo Joy Masoy. Nandyan si Joy Masoy sa AMB Master. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Cebu, AMB Master.
From the Queen City of the South, home of the Master Dragon, one of the classic sound systems in Central Visayas. This is AMV Pro Lights and Sounds, owned and managed by Margarito Villegas. Exactly located at number 69 F. Gonzales Street, Carbon, Cebu City. With contact number 0939-783-0162. Sound technician Jenny Dilariarte. Spinner DJ Chris Sniper Colarin. Powered by CMC Electronics. CMC Electronics Trading. We go.